Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to appear offline on Facebook. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Facebook application. In Facebook application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Here, scroll down below and tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Here, scroll down below and tap on under the blocking option, tap on Active Status. Here you can see that my active status is enabled. If I disable it, my active status will appear as offline. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.